Are you sick and tired of seeing this error pop up in your machine? I went through many websites, many videos with Indian guys telling you the steps to follow. None of the solutions worked. This is a good example of an article that has such steps. I think it's useful to know about how to perform a clean boot here, but in this case, it didn't really help. I tried the system file checkers and the DISM, nothing, and so on and so forth. I was considering reinstalling Windows, formatting my drive. That's how crazy this error was making me, and and then I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna try something crazy. I'm just gonna open up File Explorer, and I'm just gonna look for background task host, and this will take a long time if you want it to be faster. I use this. It's not free, but it has a free trial where the search is like extremely fast. It takes a couple of seconds just to scan your whole drive if you have a fast one. Um, and then the end result is gonna be something along the sides of this. So you're gonna see multiple. Let's see if I can make it a little bit bigger. So multiple background task hosts executables in many different parts of your system. So what I would recommend is you make a screenshot so you see all the kind of like paths, and then you back up this uh, executables. As you can see, they're not all the same. Some are 3 kilobytes, 20 kilobytes, 18 kilobytes. So this is just like as a safety measure in case this really screws up with something in your system, like majorly. For me, I backed them up. I deleted them. So you just select them all, delete, and then the problem went away. The problem went away. So I never get the prompts ever again. I'm using Windows 10, and I hope this helps you. And that's pretty much it. There's no crazy steps. Of course, there's something to be said about the fact that, hey, if this is indeed like you have some malicious user or something like that, then I guess this wouldn't solve the underlying issue. As far as I know, background task codes from what I've read online is something related to Cortana, which is something I don't really use. I don't really care for. To me, it's like a modern version of Clippy for those old heads. So I don't really care about this. It just would bother me so much that I'd be watching a movie, playing a game, and then it was just plunk and pop up and kind of interrupt my whole flow. I'm really opposed to this type of thing. So this fixes the issue. At least for me, it did. And I don't have any type of problems related to this prompt. Will this fix everything? Probably not. But at least you won't be getting this prompt over again. Let me know if it works. I never saw anybody say this online. Everything was about, going through a lot of different checkups and stuff like that. But if it worked, let me know down below. I'd be interested to see if this works for other people as well. So that's it. Take care. Have a good one. And that's it. See you on the next one. Bye bye.